Kintaro. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Kintaro deep in the mountains of Mount Ashigara. Kintaro's friends are mountain animals. Kintaro played with animals every day. It's good, it's rest, it's rest. Kintaro, do your best, don't lose to the bear. But it's always Kintaro who wins, and even a bear with a big body can't compete with Kintaro. Mr. Ko, Mr. Ko, Kintaro is strong. But I won't lose next time. This time, it's a Tsuna pool. It's a game between Kintaro and the animals in the mountains. Among the animals, there were big bears, cars, eels and deer, but they are no match for Kintaro. Tsunehiki is also won by Kintaro. Kintaro is very powerful, but he is not only strong, but also a very kind boy. One day, when I went to the mountain road on the back of a bear, the animals were in trouble at the valley. What should I do? There's no bridge, so I can't go over there. Okay, leave it to me. When Kintaro found a big tree growing nearby. Okay, it's just the right size. And then, I hit the big tree. Dawn. Then the big tree breaks easily, and when Kintaro lifts it up and hangs it in the valley, a single bridge is completed in no time. Wow! Thank you very much. The animals were overjoyed and crossed the bridge that Kintaro built. After that, Kintaro, who had strong power and a kind heart, became a great young man, became a servant of a great samurai in the capital, and defeated bad people one after another. The end.